Headlines, which reached over 300,000 streams na rin. So congratulations!
Thank you po.
Siyempre, ito yung dinebut nyo na performance, di ba, dun sa Bangkok.
Yeah.
So kamusta naman performing it for the first time sa international audience naman?
Sobrang nakakatuwa kasi nabigyan kami ng opportunity na makapag-perform sa Music Countdown Bangkok. And parang for us, super blessing yun to share our music, OPM and everything sa international stage.
Yeah. And it's not just a normal stage, diba? And to be able to debut that song on stage in a big event, sobrang thankful kami, grateful.
Yeah, of course, congrats! And the Headlines will actually set the tone for what everyone can expect sa ating EP. Kaya hindi na rin natin papatagalin. Let's get the ball rolling, of course. Let's play Headlines first, and then mamaya ang ating pasurpresa sa media friends. So, DJ, play na natin ang Headlines.
It's alright.
Yes!
Yeah.
Ayan, ang galing! Actually, feeling ko na-dethrone na nito lahat ng favorites ko. Ang ganda! I'm so excited for the rest of the EP. Feeling ko, ang ating audience din, excited naman kayo marinig ang EP?
Yeah.
And excited sila, syempre, kaya din sila nandito to support everyone. Kaya naman today, you're in for something special because kayo ang unang makakarinig ng exclusive previews of the 2 unreleased tracks dropping on September 25. So we have 2 songs. This is Dance With Me and Aloe Vera. So gusto niyo namang marinig?
Yeah.
Yan, excited
Parang
na.
surprise
Kayo din? Ay, ito na pala. Okay, ako din. Excited ako marinig. O sige, so let's all be surprised together at i-share na natin to sa kanila. So let's play the first song, Dance With Me.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
I love the excitement. O, din nagulat din sila. Hindi ko alam. Preview lang, preview. Pero nagandahan ba kayo guys sa preview? Ayan, feeling ko tuwa sila, naka-video na rin sila. Bitin din, malapit na 9 days na lang naman. Or kung gusto yung kantahin nyo na ngayon.
Ay, wow.
Nawala sa
Baka
script.
magpagalitan na tayo
Kaya
dyan.
nga wag na, baka mawala doon ako.
Concert yan.
Yun, syempre, doon natin makikita ang full performance din.
Yes.
Pero hindi lang yan, we also have another one. So let's also listen to Aloe Vera.
Skincare.
Super bitin, mas bitin yun. Grabe,
Oh my
patikim
God.
lang talaga. O, nakikita ko yung excitement sa mukha nyo na i-share sa kanila. So, kamusta yung pakiramdam ngayon na nabigla din kayo shinare nyo sa ating media friends ang bagong songs?
Sana nagustuhan niyo kahit onti lang part ng song yun. Kasi kami excited din kami. Pero gusto niyo pa marinig yung buong song sa concert yan, sa October 4. So bilhin na kayo ticket guys sa ticketnet.com.ph.
Tama.
True. Isa na ako sa may kiagaw ng ticket niyan. Sorry,
Yun.
guys. Magkakasama tayo sa pila. Okay, walang special treatment porque host ako,
Yes.
diba? Or pero kung gusto niyo ko bigyan ng ticket. Okay lang naman din para magsama-sama tayo dun, diba? Pero thanks so much for the special treat. Actually, parang papasalamatan ko yung management kasi hindi nyo alam. Actually. So thanks everyone. Palakpakan naman natin ang unreleased tracks of BGYO. I think everyone truly enjoyed that. So thank you for the special treat. So now we're gonna move on to our Q&A. So mas kilalanin pa natin kung kamusta ba ang BGYO ngayon. So we got some questions from our media friends. So ako na magbabasa ng questions and then later, if there's still time, they can follow up personally. So are you guys ready to answer?
Ready, very ready.
Always ready. Okay. So this first question, hindi siya pinangalanan. So anonymous siya. So they asked, from performing at different mall shows and having album showcases in SM Skydome, finally you're having your first ever concert this October at the New Frontier Theater. Ayan, beginnings. How does it feel to finally have your own solo concert?
Siyempre, kinakabahan kaming 5 kasi nga, first solo concert. So, yung pressure na sobra talaga. Pero, excited kami at the same time kasi excited kaming ma-showcase yung mga natutunan namin throughout the years. And kung sino na yung BGYO now.
Tsaka yung mga new songs, di ba?
Oo. Mga pasabog natin dyan.
Oo, I feel like this will be something new. Siyempre, looking back at your different eras din, I can see na ibang-iba na rin yung sound nyo ngayon. And I'm really loving who BGYO is right now. So, meron silang second question. Recently, you performed at the Summer Sonic Bangkok along with international artists like you mentioned, Alicia Keys, Camila Cabello, Black Eyed Peas. So how does it feel naman to represent Filipino music sa isang malaking music festival internationally?
Ayun nga, sobrang grateful nga kami kasi nabigyan kami ng opportunity na makapag-perform sa Summer Sonic Bangkok. And yung fact na kami yung first Filipino boy group na makapag-perform doon, sobrang saya and ang sarap sa pakiramdam. And makita yung mga international artists na nilulook up namin and may mga mapulot na lessons kung paano sila mag-perform na pwede namin madala sa mga susunod pa naming performance.
Oo nga, because you were once fans also of these people, tapos kasama na kayo sa lineup, so nakakatawa. I can really see the joy in your eyes. We also have another question from someone else naman ito. So this is your second time na ni-nominate kayo sa Break Tudo Awards in Brazil. Ano yung reaction nung nalaman nyo for the second time na nominate naman kayo for the International Rising Artist Award?
We were very surprised kasi this is the second time. So wow, second nomination, and it's a good reminder and motivation for us to keep pushing kasi our music and what we're doing now is being noticed internationally for the second time too. So we're very thankful sa Break Tudo Awards in Brazil.
Yeah, nakakatuwa talaga. Palakpakan naman natin ang BGYO. We're manifesting for more international nominations. Siyempre, yun din ang goal to forward Filipino music internationally. Ito naman, we have a question from Nika Sabio from Push ABS-CBN. First question is, preparing for this concert, what are the things that you discovered about yourselves individually and as a group that you are proud of?
I think pinaka-highlight ko sa sagot ko is kung paano kami mag-work together as a team. Kasi nakaka-proud siya kasi kahit may 5 opinions, 5 mga mindset, tsaka mga ideas, at the end of the day with the team, na gagawa namin ng iisang sagot para sa lahat ng mga ginagawa namin sa process papuntang concert.
Ang galing. Actually, you grow together talaga as a group. So for the second question, with the new EP, what is the difference of this to your previous albums? And please share, how did you prepare for this? And ano yung nag-inspire sa inyo dito?
Ano siya this new EP that we are going to release, it's very special to us. It shows how much we've grown through the years and how much our music evolved. Kasi before we were trying to experiment with different sounds, and we are proud of our new release, especially this year. This year from Trash to our EP1 and going to our new Headlines EP. It hits different talaga, and we are very grateful na and excited to release all of the music na matagal na namin tinatago, di ba? Sobrang tagal na. And yeah, I think it just shows the maturity and the growth of BGYO as an artist and as a person. Yeah.
So I'm truly loving this era. I feel like everyone as well, they were really vibing along sa mga kanta na pinakinggan natin kanina. We have another naman, Jello De Vera from Manila Concert Junkies. So for 2025, BGYO is being crafted to become more of a global group based on previous singles and your upcoming EP Headlines, with songs mainly being in English actually. So is this a clear path that you boys want to take, or can we expect comeback songs like Tumitigil Ang Mundo and Gigil?
For sure, soon we will be releasing more Tagalog songs. Nasakto lang right now na we were able to work with a lot of international songwriters and producers na madami kami na bangko na English songs. But for sure, abangan niyo yan in the future. We will still be releasing a lot of Tagalog songs. Yeah.
Kaya abangan talaga talaga natin yan. Right, guys? Feeling ko gusto nyo rin ng Filipino songs. And yun ang inaantay din ng maraming. But I'm so excited for the Headline TV. Ang ganda naman din talaga.
Let's go!
I'm so excited for everything in the future ng PGY. So salamat sa pa-teaser mo na Filipino songs in the future. And another question from Jello as well. Please take us through your preparations for the concert. Were there any differences in rehearsals? That is your first ever solo concert. So nag-iba ba yung rehearsal nyo before sa concert nyo? And personally, for each member, what are you most excited to showcase sa first concert nyo?
As we're getting closer and closer sa first ever concert po namin, I think mas mahaba and mas intense yung rehearsals kasi we have many adjustments and we want to change some things to make this something new, and we want to make sure na prepared po kami mentally and physically. And personally, I am excited for our performance of our new EP kasi it fits the name of our concert, PGYO Now. This is our music now and this is who we are now.
Ako personally, feel ko kailangan yung abangan and maging excited kayo sa mga solo prods na i-perform namin for this concert. Kasi, solo prod? Di ba? Alam mo, magbabasahin. Hindi, magkaka-solo prod po kami. Kumbaga, doon namin mapapakita, mag-showcase yung individual namin na talent and kung paano kami perform with our own twist. Kasi ito mga pre-perform namin na solo, hindi pa namin siya nagagawa before, kaya excited.
May acting prod daw po siya daw.
And between the dance.
Ako naman yung mga old songs naman na kasi yung mga ilang songs dito matagal na namin hindi na-perform talaga and nakaka-excite lang mapakita yung version na yun ngayon kung sino ang visual.
Ako personally, feeling ko kailangan nyo abangan yung stage ng BGY ko na. Kasi yung gumawa. Ako yung gumawa ng stage. Pero sobrang kaabang-abang yung stage. Talagang kakaiba tong concert ito. So, if you want to see the stage, buy your tickets at ticketnet.com.ph.
Sir, October 4, 19 days to go.
Oh my God. How about you?
What I'm excited about sa concert is, of course, reuniting with the OG Aces, the one who has been there for us ever since we were trainees, and of course to meet our new Aces that we haven't met before. So, if you haven't seen us yet, buy your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph to see us live on our very first concert.
Yan, malapit ang feeling ko, lalabas na rin yung pop na sold out na siya. And very, very soon. So yun din ang minamanifest natin. Aces, huwag na kayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Bumili na kayo. Now na. Kahit hindi pa nagbebenta, dapat bumibili na kayo. Now na talaga. Alright, I'm so excited yung solos nyo. Oh, something new. Okay, thank you for saying that. Next, we have Patrick Villanueva from Business Mirror. So ang question niya, based on your experience and the things you witnessed with your colleagues and competition in K-pop, what are the learnings you as a group and personally plan to bring coming into your first solo concert?
Well, so through the years, sa lahat ng mga na-experience namin siya, mga nakatrabaho, nakasama, within the community rin, ang pinaka-napulong talaga namin, lalo na ngayon, nag-prepare kami for this first solo concert is teamwork, focus, and yung pinaka-mindset mo na hindi mo na siya dapat dalhin every time na may performance kapag dapat live siya every day.
Interesting. Oh, may mapupulot ka talaga sa mga kasama mo sa trabaho eh. His next question is, we've seen artists get their hunger on stage, while yung iba naman naka-frightened. So how do you guys keep your mental in check to keep that hunger higher than your fear, especially performing in front of a lot of people?
Well, for us, normal lang naman talaga kabahan or matakot, lalo na kapag sobrang maraming audience yung mga nanonood. Pero, ang pinaka-key dyan is, preparation. Kasi kapag prepared ka, automatic yan sa katawan mo kung anong gagawin mo kahit kabahan ka. Parang discipline, na kahit anong mangyari, at least magagawa mo pa rin yung dapat gawin. And at the end of the day, normal kabahan, and okay rin kabahan kasi alam mo may fire sa puso.
Saka sa nakatulong ko para mawala yung kabay, nagpasa kami sa likod, sa backstage.
May mga rituals kami.
Malakas talaga.
Pampasan, prayer, and huddle. Tsaka, kumbaga, practice ka na sa group and individual para align kami paglabas ng stage, pag-start ng music. Boom!
Iba talaga, pag BGYO, may mga pa-ritual sila na ganyan.
Paluan.
Oo, may paluan segment. Ay, makalimutan ko pa ba, di ba? That's nice to know, ah. Hindi ko ata narinig yun sa iba pa. So, first time ko narinig yun. We also have a question from Vince from Philippine Concerts. Collaborating with global songwriters like Melanie Fontana and Lindgren, who have worked with artists such as BTS, Blackpink, 17, Twice, Britney Spears, and Dua Lipa. So this must have been a game changer for all of you. So can you share yung creative process working with them and yung reaction nyo na kasama sila makipagtrabaho sa inyo sa EP?
Yeah, we met them, me and Nate met them in music camp last year. So we had a music camp. That was, we were in the studio session together. Tapos, yung unang kinakabahan talaga kami, kasi, you know, they're big names in the industry. Tapos, malawan ko, they wrote and produced for Dua Lipa, BTS, and K-pop people, Hunter, so una nakakaba talaga siya. Pero when we got to talk and chat before the session, nawala siya kasi sobrang gaan nila kasama, yung energy nila maganda. And, you know, starting this session, smooth na siya, tuloy-tuloy kasi we were able to chat before, tapos nagpatuan na kami ng ideas, what kind of song gusto natin gawin, what kind of sound. So yeah, that's how nag-live it. So super grateful to have been able to work with Lindgren and Melanie. Shout out sa inyo.
Going global na talaga. I'm so happy to hear that. Nakaka-proud talaga na yung fellow Filipinos natin na nakikita-kita lang natin before sa mga mall shows, sa mga maliliit na stage ngayon na katrabaho na yung mga global icons just like them. Vince's other question is, what's the proudest headline moment of your journey so far?
Ako isa to sa mga feeling ko sasabihin niya rin. Pero isa sa mga na-proud ako is mapunta yung isang song natin sa viral playlist sa Spotify. Nag-peak sa number 35 sa viral hits yung All These Ladies. And sa isa pang viral 50 Philippines na play sa Spotify. Kaya so grateful kasi isa rin sa mga favorite song ko ng video.
I'm very proud and I feel like this is a headline moment kasi we were featured on Grammys, many hits of Asian pop. So we were featured with Blackpink, BTS, Pop Favorite, and we're very honored to be on the same list as these very big acts. Ako naman, yung ngayon, preparing for the concert, we're going to have a concert on October 4th, the very first BGYO concert, so first akin yung headline sa akin right now.
Ako naman yung nag-number 1 kami sa Billboard's Next Big Sound Chart sa song namin, The Battle. Sobrang big deal niya sa amin kasi bago pa lang kaming BGYO nun. And makakuha agad ng ganong klaseng recognition. Sobrang sarap sa puso.
Ako yung nanalo tayo sa Breakthrough last year for song by international artist for Patintero. Then yung ngayon we're nominated again for Breakthrough for international rising artist. Yun sa akin.
Congrats! Nakakatuwa ang headlines ninyo. It's so nice. For sure, mas marami pa. At features and dominating ng charts. Marami pang number 1. And nomination, syempre, gusto ba natin makita ng Filipino na ma-nominate sa Grammys? Syempre, yun ang gusto natin makita. So we are also manifesting that for BGYO. So manifestation session pala to. Mag-manifest tayo together dito. Next question is from Chris O. Ramos Jr. from One Music PH. Speaking of headlines, how have you matured in terms of handling the distractions and the non-musical things that come with being public figures?
I think we've grown in terms of focus and mindset. Kasi before, we get easily distracted kapag sa mga sinasabi ng tao sa paligid and everything. Pero throughout time, we learn how to control the noises around us and just focus on what matters, which is our music and our growth as an artist. Ayun.
Oh, that's actually very hard to shut out the noise.
Super.
Pero at least we have grown and we've learned naman talaga. Next question, how close or far do you guys think you are in quest to go global?
Actually, dream siya ng every artist to go global. Pero kami, we're still on the journey. And malayo pa talaga kami. Pero I think through releasing music and performing, unti-unti, bit by bit, in a way na-achieve namin yung goals namin. And we won't stop until we reach those goals. So, yes po, we will push.
Oo, lahat naman yan may kahihinatnan. Unti-unti naman natin naaabot and may mga unexpected pa na mga nominations. So for sure, dadami at dadami pa yan. We have Jay of Certified Kapamilya. What is your favorite QYO song and why? Eto, curious din ako dito.
Ako, wala ko. Trash.
Yeah.
Yeah, Trash yung favorite ko. At when I first heard it, natapos na during the 2023 music camp, music camp, ABS-CBN music camp. May magic eh, may magic. It was the start of something new, so, and yung lyrics niya, sobrang relatable for me. And, I don't know, may magic talaga siya when I first heard it. And then tuloy-tuloy na after ng Trash na in every song na we make and we release, napasa yung magic in every song until hanggang ngayon sa future releases namin, which is September 25 sa Headline TV, which is Dance With Me and Hello There.
Ako naman yung song namin na Panahon. Kasi sobrang ganda ng lyrics nito para sa akin. Kasi sinasabi niya na kahit anong mangyari, bigyan mo lang ng panahon. So parang ganun yung BGYO ngayon na nagte-take time lang kami sa ginagawa namin. Hindi kami nagmamadali.
For me, bulalakaw. Parang manifestation, sabi mo.
Oo.
Parang imamanifest mo rin talaga yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay. So for me, yung bulalakaw talaga yung tumatak sa utak ko. Parang let's manifest the good things to happen to BGYO. So for me, bulalakaw.
How about the rest of you, Jello and Nate?
Ako, hindi na ako lalayo. Yung debut song namin na The Light, hindi lang dahil debut song siya, pinili ko to kasi yung meaning ng song nagre-resonate pa rin kami sa meaning ng song as a group and as individuals. Kasi meaning ng song is about finding the light in the darkness, tsaka following your dreams, and of course, being the light then for others.
Siyempre, our latest single, yeah! This is my favorite song kasi it's like my energy, my vibe. I'm always just enjoying and I'm always happy and having fun with this life that we have. And I'm very proud of what we love, which is this career, BGYO.
At least alam na natin ano mga favorite songs niyo. Almost every era may na-mention kayo. So that's nice to know. Especially sa mga bagong aces and yung mga kinikilala pa kayo. So thank you kay Jay for asking that question. He has another question actually. How do you see your group in 5 years? Parang resume lang.
In 5 years, for sure, madami na kaming na-release na songs. And basta kami ang goal namin is ma-share pa yung music namin all around the world. Siyempre here in the Philippines, but also around the world. And sana we are working hard na by in 5 years na kaikot na kami around the world sharing our music and connecting with other people through music.
Kita naman natin, may first solo concert kayo sa October 4, but after that, we're hoping for a world tour naman. Sana matupad na yan before pa mag 5 years. Sana mangyari na yun, di ba?